Hey guys, I am here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget it to subscribe my channel and like my video. So guys, I hope you all will be fine. Today, I'll show you some beautiful pictures of greenhouse garden. First of all, I'll tell you what are the main four types of greenhouse garden. The first is shape classification of a greenhouse is according to its basic shape. Type includes the first one is gable, flat arch, raised dome, sawtooth, skillion and tunnel. This is the four main types. Now I'm telling about how do you set up a greenhouse garden. The first is starting seeds. Be seed smart. Get a listing what you have wished to plant. Invest in containers. Get soil to prevent plant diseases and pest infections. Add fertilizer to your soil. Always water your plants as recommended for each individual plant. Check it your climate can handle these plants. So guys, what is the principle of greenhouse? The greenhouse effect is a process that occurs when gases in Earth's atmosphere trap the sun's heat. This process makes Earth much warmer than it could be without an atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is one of the things that make Earth a comfortable place to live. So guys, I'll show you some beautiful pictures of greenhouse garden. Look at this one. This is very beautiful picture. Look at flowers, color combination. Each and everything is perfect. This design is very beautiful. This one is also. Look at this picture.